friends. What's going on? Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Jeet Corp in the chat. What's going on, guys? Happy Turkey Day. We got lots of turkey in Canada. However, I think that I believe so that the Thanksgiving in America, in the great land of America, the free land. Okay? I think yours is later. This is my hypothesis, okay? Because Canada's is in October. However, if we had one right now, okay, like if Canada, most places in Canada, it's a very good probability. There isn't snow on the ground right now in my area. However, if you go north, you have a very, very high probability of there being snow on the ground. So therefore, as a safety factor, we probably most likely do not have a Thanksgiving later on in the year. Therefore, you don't have to drive to your family, and not everybody's all boozed up driving home in the winter alongside snow and crashing into each other. So that's my hypothesis. However, thank you for being here. Thank you. And I know it is a holiday. It is a holiday, but Bitcoin never sleeps, my friends. Bitcoin never sleeps, my friends. Rodney Cowden, morning peeps. Happy turkey for me, not you, Alex. Well, I get it. I can still be thankful for you being here, so I'm going to be. Watch the tryptophan, my friends. You're going to be tripping because you're going to be so dang tired tomorrow because you ate too much dang turkey. Okay? You turkey lovers, you. Nothing like a good old bird, right? Nothing like a good old bird. Have a beautiful, beautiful turkey today. Hello, Melissa. Melissa, we're going to not yell at you, but we're going to keep encouraging you in order to push you to start your channel. We would love to see your channel. We want to see you start your channel. Let's go. Let's go. So, what do we got here? Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a big pop, lock, and drop it. And you guys are saying you're very grateful and thankful for Bitcoin. So, that's pretty cool. However, we didn't get much news last night. We just know that Mr. CZ himself, he is he's stepping down. Now, not all heroes wear capes. However, we know that Richard Tang's stepping in here. Chief executive for the World Economic Forum. Binance will become the biggest company in the world very soon, says Crypto. I will leave the following without any additional comment, but this is the new CEO of Binance. What do you guys think about Richard Tang, guys? You will own nothing and you will be happy. Mr. Richard. Are we going to start calling him Dick? I went there. Yes, I did. I went there. Okay. And then we have all the forsaken heroes, all the people in the end game here. When Thanos clicked his finger, these guys, BitBoy's still around. However, he's shilling $4,000 moving average strategy. So if you're into that, go and buy it. David, we're going to have some words. What's going on with this? This is now a thing. Open mouth thumbnails. Okay? Jesus died for your sins. CZ died for your bull market. Let's go. And just because you put my face all over your stream this morning, we're going to have to pet you. My friend. Thank you for your support, brother. Thank you to everyone that stopped by my stream today. Mad love. Yeah, great stream today. Lunar Beach's crypto, man. Killing it. Great job today, man. Very thankful for you for being part of our community. And for us being part of your community, because you're a good man. And I hope you and your family have a wonderful, wonderful Turkey Day and have a wonderful day at your in-laws, like you were saying. So that's pretty It's pretty awesome, man. I hope you have a wonderful day, man. Thankful for you. Thankful. I just like saying grateful. It's easier. Grateful's easier. Thankful feels like forced. So I'm thankful for you. I'm also thankful for Bitcoin. Super Saiyan AOC. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I could get. I'm trying to convince Mrs. Otter to name our kid Goku, boy or girl. It doesn't really matter as long as we can name it Goku. I'm pretty happy. Okay. We did a video yesterday about we were in Walmart, okay, doing some shopping. We were in Walmart. Oh man, this is gonna be a long scroll. I wish I could find I should just put weird tags. We were in Walmart, and I found a Goku, and I posted it, and I said, "Hey, Mrs. Otter, what do you reckon we Oh, the sound's not through. I said, "Can we name our kid Goku?" There's me and Mrs. Otter. Right? Can we name our kid Goku? And she was like, no. She's like, no. She said no. Goku Christmas ornament. Good fun, man. Good fun. This is more of a chill stream because you know what? Bitcoin's doing a little sideways shuffle right now, and it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. So we can see Bitcoin right now has had a beautiful topping, getting everybody bullish. We took the trade here. Now I've been working on Market Oracle in confluence with Chart Prime. Okay, so we took this long yesterday. The setup was given in advance. This was our first Chart Prime trade. Okay, so we took the trade from here yesterday, and we were happy. Okay, for me, it was in confluence with my levels. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. How can I build more confluence with my levels? So we took this trade yesterday. It came down. It came to a key level, and it said buy. Okay, and I'm like, okay, you're telling me to buy. That's cool and all. You're telling me to buy, that's cool, but what are you telling me? Why are you telling me to buy, right? Why are you telling me to buy, and why should I buy? So we're at a key level of support that I've found, right? We also came up to, I believe, a golden pocket here. Whew. No, a 0.5. Okay, 0.5. So I would have liked to see it come down to the golden pocket. And then we got the buy signal. We got to retrace back. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit more. This is on this. I'm doing a 7-minute strategy here. I've tweaked the settings and stuff like that. So we got in here on the retrace of the first bounce. Okay, we see the curl over here of the first bounce. Whee! And then boing, right? And that's your entry right there. Because you get the bounce off of here. A nice, beautiful, bullish, pushing, powerful move to the upside. Then you catch the little retrace here. You fire off the long and you say, if you can do it, do it. Okay? Okay? And it said buy and reversal. So I'm down for both of those. I like a down, a buy and a reversal going into it. Bouncing off a key box that we had laid out on our charts. And look at us. We flew off to the moons. Okay? We flew off to the moons for some gains, baby. Some gains, baby. So that was our trade as of yesterday. Okay? Yesterday was a nice day for us. However, we're getting all these mixed signals, okay? Maximum profits. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. That would have been a horrible buy. Imagine buying this one. Buy. This is why you need buy it at the top, okay? Okay, so this is why we add confluence to where we're looking at. See, now we get in a reversal here, so we're looking for a bounce. We want it to come to a key level of support, right? So right now we zoom out and we look at what are my trade setups? What am I looking for? Okay, so I'm looking for a continuation of this uptrend. So we'll get all this noise off of our chart. We'll get this fib off of our chart. And we're looking for a bounce and a continuation to the upside. So where would that bounce come in? Well, for me, it would be between these 2 points, between this low and this high, right? Which is in confluence with this 36.88 8 level. Okay, so I've given this trade setup in advance on the Discord, looking for this to bounce. Okay, we're looking for this to bounce and continue its way upwards. We want to see the liquidity grabbed around 38.2. That's my idea. 38.2 is kind of like my target, you know, target. So that's where we're looking for a bounce. Okay, so we're gonna zoom out. We're gonna go through all the goods. We're gonna look at all this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day of Turkey Day. So thank you all for being here. I'm very, 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 very thankful and grateful, and all those good things for you guys, because you guys make this happen. I'd be here talking to myself, which Mrs. Otter would probably be questioning my sanity, which is okay, because you know we're all a bit cuckoo to be in this space, all a bit cuckoo. But that's okay. So let's go to the object tree. Let's take a look at this grander picture here. We got Market Cipher B, and we got the discount. Okay, so I bought Market Cipher B just before CryptoFace came out with a promo code for 35% off. So I emailed them. Well, Mrs. Otter wrote the email because she's very articulate. Articulate. I would have said, yo, give me the discount, please. However, she articulated a fine argument, and I got the discount, 35% off. So I believe Schaefer shared it. It's Black Cipher 35. Black Cipher 35 for MCB at everyone. Just in case. Get your 35% off Market Cipher if you want it. You don't have to use. Please don't feel obliged to use my link below. Not at all. And use not Jonathan Schaefer's, because his is just as good. His is just as good. Okay. So, what do we got here? We got this massive move up. We got a trend line. Oh, where are we going? Right? Where are we going? Now, I mentioned to you guys yesterday that if we failed to make a higher high, we could be looking for more downside. Okay, this was my thought, is that we could be looking for more downside. So we get our little arrows here, and we see that we failed to get. So we make this move up here, right? And then we make this low, and we were looking, if this did not get above, which it has, okay, it has, we were looking for a continuation to the down, a reversal in a sorts, okay, a reversal in a sorts. It didn't happen, okay? We pushed above, okay? You can see we got a wick above here. So that's good news for the bulls. Good news for the bulls. Likely seeing a trail down here. But like I said, we're looking for that retrace and a continuation, right? We're looking for that retrace and a continuation from the trade setup given in advance, okay? Given in advance. We always try to give you guys what we're looking at initially in the morning. Not saying we're going to take the trade. However, we're saying that this is what our best thought is currently. Best thought currently, okay? Crazy Canadian here, wishing you all Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, and trying to get you guys to like and subscribe and hang out with us in the free Discord and saying, you know, everything's free here. Don't worry about it. And it is. It really is. So we got two levels. We got this level here. Whoop. And then we got this level here. Whoop. Okay, so we got two levels of beautiful volume. We are looking at this objectively. We have a beautiful trend line from here all the way through. Okay. There. Okay, let's go there. So you can see beautiful trend line, two volume areas. Where are we looking to trade? Okay, where's the most volume in this area? So we can see the most volume is here. And the most volume is down here, which we haven't revisited, okay? Which we haven't revisited. We know there's a CME gap down here that we would like to be hunted out. So we have these three areas, and then above us, we have some levels as well, which we can share with you as well. Okay, so we have the 39,000, and then we're all the way up to 40,800 for our next level of resistance. Okay, so we've done some TA, we've done the levels, but we're looking at this objectively because it's Turkey Day, and why not? We all want to have a great day today. We don't want to be looking at the charts. We're like, okay, Alex, like, congratulations, you're spending your Thanksgiving yelling at us on Turkey Day when markets are moving sideways. Well, who knows? Bitcoin's 24/7, 365. And we always want to be prepared, okay? We always want to be prepared. And we want to set ourselves up for success, okay? And by setting ourselves up for success, we can be profitable. and we can practice good risk management and a healthy mindset and share the kindness. So that's what it's all about here. So uptrend, continuing up until this is broken. We're not looking for lower prices, okay? We want to see this break, okay? We want to see the break of this uptrend and a continuation downwards, which I think we will get eventually. Okay. However, with all this beautiful news and all this beautiful stuff going on in the world where crypto adoption is going absolutely parabolic, we may not ever come back to 30,000. What is $37,000 Bitcoin versus $100,000 Bitcoin? Ask yourselves that. Okay? So you got to be prepared for anything, right? You got to be prepared for anything. That's what we try to do here, is prepare ourselves. And as traders, we want to extract profits. And as investors, we want to dollar cost average into stuff that we believe in, that we've done our own research in, and that we hope can pump during the bull market, right? We want to grab lower prices. That's why I've been making all those pullback videos for you guys. So if you've got any coin or any request, obviously just throw it in the chat. We'll go and take a look at it. We'll do a quick 5-minute TA session. We'll jump on, do all the levels of pullbacks of where the price can go so that you guys can set limit orders on your spot to grab some DCA at better levels, okay? At better levels. So just wanted to be objective this morning, looking at this in totality, okay? So we got a half day tomorrow in the markets. A half day. So I don't know what that will bring. I guess half the stock market's going to come in and work because they're all going to be... yeah, it's probably the turkey, right? It's probably the turkey. So looking at the weekly here, we can see that we're very much overbought, right? We're very much overbought and we want to cool down on the market cipher B here, right? Money flow is still pretty thick, but the VWAP is coming to the downside. Now we were taking a look at the 5-day, and it is confirmed now. The 5-day is confirmed. The red dot is confirmed on the 5-day, so we're looking for this to come down. Oh, he didn't say that. He didn't say that. And where are our key levels of support? Well, we have a key level of support at 31.8. We have another key level at 32.8. And we have the level of 34,000. Those are our key levels below us, okay? These are our key levels below us. So if price does fall, we look for major support to be along here. My favorite areas for me to DCA. I got some dry powder on the sidelines. I did buy most of it right around here, which I'm pretty happy about. I'm pretty happy about. Got the gains. Wish we bought down here, but we weren't ready. We weren't ready. We were ready here. Okay? Remember when everybody was talking head and shoulders pattern? Oh, man. Good times, good times, good times. So, if we do cool off here, we look to come down to these 3 levels. That's it. It's very simple. Keep it simple, man. Keep it simple. Hello, TM. Happy Thanksgiving, man. Happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for dropping by, TM. Much love to you. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a wonderful Thanksgiving if you're in America. If not, thank you for being here, man. Appreciate you. Okay, so going down to the 2-day, we can see that the only thing that's contrary to this beautiful market cipher divergence, that we have higher highs here and lower lows, is the money flow, right? It's the money flow. We can see money flow is coming in hot and green, okay? Hot and green coming into the market. So there's some controversy here. And, parabolic news, man. Bitcoin ETF, looming. Where is this move going to go, right? I'm in Belgium. Awesome. Belgium. Are you in the place I can't pronounce? YPRES? Ypres? Or Brussels? Come on, my geography isn't that bad, right? You got to give it to me, right? Not bad for a Canadian, right? I know about those 2 places, and I've never been to Belgium. Everybody's just like Belgium chocolate. I went the extra step, and I said, yeeps, ypres. Yeah, praise. And Brussels. See, so I'm not really, but I am cultured. I have done a whole 360 around the world. Okay, that's awesome. See, awesome, bro. Awesome. Well, we're happy you're here, man. I'm thankful for your support. So what does the daily say? Same thing, triple top, but we're getting a green dot now. Very mixed messages, right? Very mixed messages. VWAP chopping, okay? VWAP chopping. Green dot, red dot, green dot, red dot. Okay, so very much uncertainty. However, big divergence, right? Big divergence to the downside. Oops. To the downside. So we're watching that. We're watching that for sure. So let's make this bigger. Let's go to the 12. What's the 12 saying? The 12 is more of an indication of what's going on because of this parabolic move. We can see that money is actually coming out. Okay, so on the daily, money looks like it's just marching forward, right? But on the 12-hour, we get a little bit more of a volatile money flow here where we can see what is actually going on. Now, you can see on these big moves here that we've had big shots to the upside, right? And that's the money flow coming up here and the money flow coming up here. Okay, so that's interesting. Now you can see money flow is declining, okay? However, we're getting higher highs on market cipher or on the candlesticks, and yet we're getting lower lows on the momentum waves and lower lows on the money flow. So both are kind of saying, hey, this could be coming down, okay? This could be coming down, right? So we are losing a key level of support right now. We're down to 37.86. It's pretty exciting, eh? We're waiting at 36.888 for long. I would like to see the tops of this taken out. There are stops up here, my friends. There are stops up here. I guarantee you there's liquidity up here. I guarantee it. And Mr. Market Maker, he wants to send it up here so we can grab the longs before he slams it down on you and recovers the vector candles, okay? Tito outburst, okay? So we're getting a little bit of a rollovers here while everybody's tripping off their fanny. And now we'll wait to see what perspires from here. Go to the 8. Okay, nothing too significant. Just the same. Money flow's coming out, okay? Money flow's coming out. My nose is itchy today. I'll lower this. Is there like a Mrs. Otter hair somewhere? You always got to be careful for Mrs. Otter's hair. They come out of nowhere. Okay, let's expand this. Now, this is a very, 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 very slight higher high. Oh, no. Apprentice is in the chat. Let's go, my man. We got higher high and lower low here, right? Bearish divergence. Bearish divergence. What's going on, Apprentice? Good to see you, man. Hope you're killing those trades. It's Thanksgiving in good old America today, so we're just saying happy Thanksgiving to everybody and just coming on doing some TA, man. Hope you're having a wonderful day, my brother. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you in the Discord. Mad love and respect, man. Mad love and respect. So we're waiting to see here where the push can continue, right? Where the push can continue. Now let's look at Market Oracle Pro. Now, I like this, okay? So with this new indicator that we got here is I like how we're getting support from this band, okay? This band. I don't even know the damn name of it. Let's find out the name of it. What's it called? The dynamic reactor, okay? Let's call it the DR, okay? Dominican Republic. All love to you, man. All love to you, brother. I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. The dynamic reactor, okay, is coming up. We've gotten support twice, perfectly, okay? Support twice. So I look for this to continue upwards until we can see this flatten and curl down. This is kind of what I'm looking at to be a leading indicator of trend, okay? Oh, we're coming down. Let me see what the chart's saying. 37.53. Let's jump into it, guys and girls. Melissa, I see you. Coming down to a key level of support. Let's pull up the trade. Let's pull up the levels. Let's take a look at what's going on here. We're getting lower lows. Let's go into the 7-minute. This is how we trade. Okay, so we're getting key support here. What do we got? We got take profit here. Looking for a reversal here. We got the golden pocket down here. Remember, we might want to front run this a little bit higher. We could put this a little bit higher, around 36,900. Okay? Waiting for price to come to us. Let it come to us. Be patient. They're dumping it on us. We can see there is a little bit of a flaggy thingy going on here where we can be very cautious. Okay? And get the bounce up here. Are we going to bounce up from this? Okay. Exciting stuff, man. Exciting stuff. Wayne C. Happy Thanksgiving to the U.S. peeps. I'm on sandwiches in the U.K. So why am I looking for a long from here? Good question. Let's answer it. And take this off. We got a falling wedge pattern. We have momentum to the upside. The trend is to the upside. We've had a massive move. We want to see the recovery of this big wick here, okay? So we got this massive wick here. Typically, we come to halfway points on these wicks. This is also a key level of support and resistance throughout the trend, right down here at 36,888, okay? So if you go back and check this level, it has been respected multiple times throughout the history back here, okay? So we know that this is a key level. You can see bang, bang, right? You can see the key levels all throughout that it's held, okay? And had reactions at. So all these levels are key levels. So we're looking for it to come back down. It also aligns with a Fibonacci golden pocket. So if you pull that, we go on the 12-minute here, make it a little bit easier to see. That we can pull from the top of this swing low to this swing high, and we drag it across. And we see that there's a golden pocket down here as well. So there's many confluences saying a continuation of trend here. We're very much oversold on market cipher, right? So we're pushing down, pushing down, pushing down. This is a falling wedge, which means it can break to the upside, right? So we would like to see that. And then we can grab the short little scalp, pay ourselves back up at this key level of resistance for first take profit at 37,300. Okay, so that's kind of the trading plan, right? And we went through this. I went through this quickly before the live stream, where we can look for this to continue its way upwards. Okay, so that's kind of my logic behind this trade setup. Okay, does it work out? We'll see. We got to protect ourselves at least down to the 786 here. Risk to reward. We're looking to come all the way up to 38,200, right? 38,200, which is a pretty good, ratio. Sorry, it's a 4-to-1 ratio basically, right? So if we do come down here, falling wedge, golden pocket, recovery of the big wicky candle over here, at least halfway, right? Very much oversold, scaring people a lot. Not a lot of people. We got a higher high continuation here, and looking for that reverse back upwards. I hope that makes sense. So. Okay, but is on limit order stop loss. So stop loss is down at 36,579. Right down here. Right, that's why I give you this multiple levels, and we look to aim to come back all the way up to 38,000-ish area, because I want to see the liquidity taken out at the tops. That's why we're looking at it this way. That's my thinking. Possible 4-hour inverse head and shoulders. Let's take a look, Dave. Let's take a look, Dave. 4 hours. Inverse head and shoulders. Knees and toes. Knees and toes. Inverse means to the upside. I'm trying to see it. You saying here? That one? I would like to see this head lower. I would like to see this head lower. I can kind of see it. Unless you're talking about this. This one here. Like this. I see you. We're getting the push down. We're getting that push down. Wow, we just came close to my entry. Just came pretty close to my entry. I'm sitting down 913. Oh, it got 913 on here. On ZoomX, it's different. It only got to 930. Looks like there's still a little bit of legs on this. Patience, patience, patience. That'll be upsetting if I missed it by... Look at that, guys. Oh, man. Hey, there's still an opportunity for it to come down here. I'm not going to FOMO in. I might even lower it a bit. This would be in already, this trade setup. This is going to be upsetting if we miss the beautiful, beautiful trade this morning. Oh, well. That's okay. Confluence, baby. Sometimes catching knives is not easy. It's not easy. However, we wait. We wait for 36,640. Okay. That's where the stop loss would have been. We'll have to see if we roll over that far. Awesome. Thank you for being here, Dave Digital, man. Happy Thanksgiving, brother. I hope you're having a wonderful day, man. I appreciate you. We did a later live stream today because we let Lunar Beach's Crypto go on first because he asked, and you know what? If we've learned anything from Billy, we know that we need to give. Giver's gain, baby. Giver's gain. So in the spirit of Thanksgiving, we be giving, right? We be giving it away. And spreading that love today, because that's what it's all about. It's about community. It's about creating a healthy environment for everybody to prosper in. And that's it, man. Happy Thanksgiving, Dave. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you. God bless you. I can't believe Bitcoin's doing the dirty on me on Thanksgiving, though. I can't believe it's doing it on me. Oh, Bitcoin, you are funny. So we see the Dixie is... the Dixie is alive and well today. Okay, the stock market may not be, but the Dixie is alive and well today. And it is dropping like it's hot. I mean, this is pretty pretty detrimental to the United States dollar, which means people are investing now, man. People are taking their money and putting it into riskier assets, which is pretty cool. We like to see that. So the NASDAQ closed today. S&P closed today. Half day tomorrow. So we'll see how well the turkey goes down with the stock market tomorrow. That'll be interesting to see. Giveaways. Happy Thanksgiving Day, bro. That's the way. Maybe we do some giveaways once we get monetized and all that stuff. We just want to take the profits and give them back to the community. That's the goal. That's the goal. We'll start giving away some free crypto or something like that. That'll be fun. I'm getting a nice bounce off that trade setup this morning. I just missed it. You guys saw I just missed it. So maybe we get a little bit of a retrace and another opportunity to enter into this trade. However, we be patient. We're in a nice uptrend right now. So you can see a little bit of a cool off. Okay, this could have been our idea to short. However, we want to see the market structure continue here, meaning that we've had a move up. Now we want to move back down, which we've had, and a continuation to the upside to go grab that liquidity at 32.8. Okay, that's my hope. If not, we come back down to the point of control, which is down here. Okay, and we hang around 36.5, right? 36.5. So we wait for the opportunities to present themselves, and hopefully we get some better entries. I mean, the entry was spot on this morning. I was just shy of $10, okay? Now, sometimes there can be discrepancy in your charts, okay? Now, what do I mean by that? So going over here, we can see on my ZoomX here, okay, the trade setup, I was at 910, okay? 910, and the wick fell to 930, okay? So I was 910 to 930. Okay, now we get rid of that. 910 to 930. Now we zoom in here. Where did this wick fall down to? 909. Not 930. So there's a $20 discrepancy. See, this is 36,910, right? Very different, okay? So it would have worked if it was the same numbers. So what is the discrepancy? Price is at 37,100 right now. Right? So this wick is 37,910. And this wick is 36,930. So there's a $20 difference within the charts. Meaning this is $20 higher. So I have to put my entries $20 higher on my exchange because this is a Bybit chart. Okay, this is a Bybit chart. We like the Bybit chart because there's lots of liquidity. And liquidity is king. Liquidity is king, especially for pulling levels and all those things. However, you need to be able to match your chart to your exchange. Very important as a trader. Now, that was my fault. I should have known. Because I do know that. I do know the $20 difference. So just something pointing it out. Right? Just something pointing it out. You got to know that difference depending on your exchange and what chart you're looking at. Make sure you know that. Just go to a wick. Go to a wick and find, go to like a close or a wick right here. You can go here and then go to your exchange and see what it is and see what the difference is, right? Go to any point on this chart that's key. Bang, it'll look the same, but it'll be a different number, 37,765, okay? And then we go over to the exchange. It's 37,7. 715. See? So there's a $30 difference, right? Important. Looks like we could be coming back down. Now I'm going to lower that trade entry because we're coming back down. I'm going to look for a swing failure pattern now. So I'm going to put it below here. I'm going to put my entry at 36 at this key level of support here. So we'll go 36,804. So I'll go 36,824, right? So now I've lowered it. 36,824. On the left hand is 824, so I've lowered it. Looking for a swing failure pattern below that key level that we just had. This is kind of like my process, man. This is my process to getting these entries. Just match it up with the key level resistance. So you pull this one down. You can see that that's the top there. Then you pull the levels up, the trade. You lower the trade back down, right? You can extend this a little bit depending on your risk management. And then you can look for an entry here. Swing failure pattern. Okay, and continuation. There's many ways to do it. It's $20. It's $20. It's Bitcoin. So it's Bitcoin. $20. It's $20. Yeah, so there's many ways to trade this. I mean, I'm trying to get in and out intraday trader, right? So we're looking for the move and then the recovery of the move. So we're looking for that bounce, baby, that bounce where we can come down and head back up. Very simple. Keep it simple, but know where your confluence is, why you're taking that trade, what you're looking for. Yes, we're rolling over here. Everybody's sleeping on their turkey. However, price doesn't go directly up or directly down. So you're recovering of this candle, I believe, right now. So that's where you're coming down, and then we're looking to continue our way upwards to grab the liquidity. Okay, there's liquidity above us. So we'll be looking for that and hunting that. Does that make sense? Just coming on, quick little stream today. Wanted to give you the trade setup. Wanted to come and say hello. Wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. We've gone through the Bitcoin price, what we're looking at, how we're looking to trade this. A lot of people are saying there's a symmetrical triangle here. I'm not a big fan of that. I'm looking for us to continue up here, swing failure pattern, and then come down for a correction. $36,824. So it depends on your stop loss invalidation points and what you're willing to lose, right? On what you're willing to lose. So if I'm typically the maximum amount I'm willing to lose on a trade is around $400, give or take, okay? Give or take. So looking at this trade setup, right? Where's your invalidation point? Where are you wrong? Well, first thing you do is you look to the left. You can see that there's a low here. So if it puts in a lower low here, you're definitely wrong, okay? You're definitely wrong, right? However, you do have support here at a key level, right? You know this because you've marked out your key level, right? So for me, I'm going to be just under that key level, right? So because I put a lot of horizontal lines, because I'm an intraday trader, I know where key levels are, where prices had reactions before, where I can look to add stop losses. You can see this here. So there's support throughout. So I know this is a key level. So I will put my stop loss just under that key level as per, right? I'm not going to put it all the way down here. I can't afford that, right? That's too much risk. So I'll keep it just under that level. That's why I go through my charts, put horizontals at key levels where I know where price is going to have a reaction. Therefore, that's an invalidation point to my trade. So I will know that if price does get below here, I am wrong, right? So it's okay to be wrong because you can be wrong correctly, right? This is putting the probabilities golden pocket. This is also a 786, right? But it means that we're back down into this range here. And my idea of recovering this candle here and hitting the golden pocket for a continuation upwards is wrong. That's my idea, right? So that idea is wrong. So key invalidation point, add a support and resistance just below it to give myself life, just in case we do get that wick, right? But we know that there's support within this range. So if this holds will be okay, right? And it gives me a little bit of breathing room for my trade. But yeah, I do not want to have it, like I can't be risking the farm on it, right? I can't be risking everything on it, right? So we do know the point of control is, so maybe you change your trading plan and you come down and you look for the 786 bounce, right? This could be a new idea, right? You could come here, pull your fibs, you look for a 786 bounce, which is way down here, right? And then you protect yourself with the point of control. Maybe that's a higher probability trade, right? Where you can lower this down. Your stop loss is below the point of control, which is a very key level of support, right? And you try to get the bounce off the 786, right? Depends on your trading strategy, right? Depends on your trading strategy. I would put this higher, and I would come to this key level of support and resistance and put it right there, right? And that's how it works, right? You'll figure it out as you go. But having a strategy, having a plan, looking for confluences. Like right now, I would go onto the 7-minute. I'd turn on my Oracle Prime. I would look at my divergences. We're getting tons of green dots down here. Very much oversold. I would wait for a reversal signal or some sort of buy that would give me an idea. And then look for the bounce on a divergence. You could even jump into like a 1-minute time frame and look for that bearish divergence here. Swing failure pattern. Up to the upside, bullish divergence to the upside, right? If you get that there, and that could be your trade setup, right? It all depends on your risk, your idea, how you trade, are you in and out of the trade quickly, and what you're looking for. So I've confused myself, so I've closed my trade on my ZoomX. I will do my own TA again. I will post it in the Discord. I'll let you guys know what I'm thinking. And we can go from there. Just walking you guys through how I do it, what I'm looking for this morning. And wishing you all a happy Thanksgiving, man. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about, being grateful. So thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's going to be it for me today. Just a quick one. We will be live tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay? Eastern Standard Time, 8:30. Monday to Friday. Wishing you guys all the best. A happy Thanksgiving to every single one of you guys. And if you're not from the States, well, have a great day as well. Happy Thanksgiving to you anyways. Much love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for supporting this channel, being a part of this. Join us in the free Discord. Link is in the description below. Have a wonderful rest of your day, guys. Much love. Peace out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.